Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. In case you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. Okay, right from this resistance zone, this actually went on downtrend and it came to an end at this support zone, went back on uptrend, even though the movement was somehow, but it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it has got into this resistance zone again. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it's going to go back on downtrend. But for now, this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course, right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. Okay, you can see the downtrend signal, and of course, the sell arrows that are coming up. Okay, so this had been more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. It broke out below this support zone at this point, and it is still selling right now. If it breaks out below the next support zone, then it will sell more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on downtrend for a while. Got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on uptrend, okay? But we need it to break out above this resistance zone first, okay? Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Okay, if it does not, then it may likely go back on downtrend and try out the support zone at this point, okay? And of course, if it breaks out below it, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go back on by trying to try out the resistance zone again. So for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999. It started an uptrend right from this support zone. We can see the uptrend signal and the buy signal, and of course, it went as high as this, and it has not been able to break out from the resistance zone. It had a little pullback and may likely try it out again. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend and try out this support region. And once it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. But for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone, and that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, let's check out the next assets, which happen to be the last asset. Okay, and this is FX volume 80. Okay, this actually got to the support zone at this point and was unable to break out from there, but for a while, and came down, went up again, and of course it is selling right now. It may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so this particular coming to this particular spot, okay? And if it breaks out below it, it will be trying out this support region, okay? And if it's unable to break out below this, then it will go back up and try out the resistance zone again and see if it's going to buy more this time around, okay? For now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out below this support zone, okay? So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.